Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2013 GMC Sierra. This Sierra is featured in a gray paint finish and is the Denali trim. It includes features such as a sunroof, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a soft rolling tonneau cover, 20-inch fuel alloy wheels, premium heated and vented front seats, as well as a trailering package with trailer brake controller and auto-locking rear differential. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle. Right next to it, we have all of the controls for our driver heated and cooled seat, as well as their seat memory. Below are power folding outside mirror controls, power window controls, as well as window and door locks. Bottom of the door has some additional storage space, as well as a speaker. Up and to the left, just left of the steering wheel, we have our lighting controls, a little storage compartment, and our trailer brake controller. Moving to the driver's seat, we can see all of our powered controls down the side. You can see the seat finished in black leather and heated and cooled in the front of the vehicle. On the roof above, we have our sunroof as well. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see all of our display cluster. You can see we have a digital information system below our RPMs on the left-hand side. Moving to the left of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, as well as our heated steering wheel button. Right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free controls, including volume controls. Just up to the left of the steering wheel is all of the controls to adjust what is on our display cluster. Moving to the middle, we have our radio controls with a CD player in the top. You can also see that we have our navigation system, as well as our menus and all of our additional settings. It also functions as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines as well as park assist. Moving below it, we have our dual zone front climate control. Then below that, we have some additional buttons. So we have two 12-volt plugs on either side, as well as our power adjustable pedal, park sensor button, and traction control. Moving to the bottom, we have two storage spaces that can flip open with the press of a button and reveal two cup holders. Moving to our center console, we can see on top we have a storage space. Opening up inside of it, we can see we have deep storage, as well as a USB and a 12-volt plug. Passenger seat also featured in our black leather. It's heated and vented, and we can see the controls are also right next to our door handle. Then above the rearview mirror, we have our universal garage door opener, lighting controls, our powered window controls, and our powered third window control. Now starting our walk down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our front tire and rim, we can see that we have a black alloy finish with chrome accents and a fuel center cap. Moving up, we have a paint match finish on our outside mirrors and chrome finish on our door handles, as well as chrome accents down the sides. On the back of the vehicle, we can see on top that we have our rolling tonneau cover. Back of the vehicle has no badging, however it has our trailer hitch at the bottom. On the left-hand side of our hitch, we have our backup camera. Opening into the rear of the vehicle, on the front as well as in the back of the bed, we have our tie-downs, and we have plenty of storage with our rolling tonneau cover up top if we need to remove it. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, powered window control, as well as a large speaker on the door itself. Inside the vehicle, on the driver's seat, we have a storage compartment as well as a speaker across the bottom. Between the two seats, a 12-volt plug, a storage space above it, and at the bottom, two foldable cup holders. Passenger seat also has our speaker and storage compartment. Moving to the seats themselves, they are a black leather finish. Moving to the center seat, we have two fold-down cup holders. Behind it, we have a power sliding third window, and all three of the seats fold up by simply pushing up on the bottom to make additional space. And we also have all-weather mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk-around of the 2013 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.